Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
And I'm feeling I'm feeling
Yabs, this is the day that we once thought was a dream, but is now turning into reality. Today, in front of God and together with the people who love us, I promise to love you and choose you, not just for this moment, but for every moment that follows.
Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay at liwanag sa madilim kong mundo. Ako'y tila isang barko na tinatangay ng alon at di alam kung saan tutungo. Hanggang sa tayo pinagtagpo sa iyong ganda, ako'y ikaw.
No, but nothing gonna break you. If you could only see what I see. When you're out on your own.
Magala tayo diyan. Sino mo gusto itong gift ko sa iyo, just like the shoes, I will always be with you in all the walks of life. See you later, love you. Wow!
The sacrament that you will receive brings forth a unitive and procreative character. For in the reception of the sacrament of holy matrimony, you will be united in mind, in heart, in body, and soul.
Standing here today, my heart is full of gratitude because before I found you, the Lord found us. I thank God for His perfect timing, for His guidance that led our path to cross, and for His grace that carried us to this very moment.
Thank you for loving me, supporting me, and pushing me to be the best version of myself. I promise to do the same. Will always do. I'll be there for you no matter what. O mahirap. You have dreams, as well as me. At ito, at the same time, magsimula tayo ng bagong pamilya.
You'll always be mine. You'll always be mine. When you can't
Sixel, do you take Alren here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Mahirap kung mahirap, pero basta nandyan ka, walang hirap na di ko kakayanin. I can't promise to give you the best life, but I promise to live my life giving you my best.
I promise to pray with you and for you, to seek the Lord in every decision we make. Build our home on faith, where love is rooted in Christ and hope is never lost. I choose you not only as my spouse, but as my partner in faith, my answered prayer, and my greatest blessing.
Husband and wife will only truly love each other properly if they love God first and love God more than one spouse.
You'll always be mine. Oh, yeah. my mind. Just close your eyes and know that you'll always be
You came into my life and made everything seems lighter and way better. Meron na akong katuwang at kakampi sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng oras, at sa lahat ng pagkakataon. With you, I can finally say, I am now at my safe place.
from home.
Alren,
You'll always
do you take
be
sweet
mine.
self here present for your lawful
You'll
wife
always be
according to the rite of our Holy
You'll
Mother, the
always
Church?
be mine.
Yes, I do.
With God as the center of our marriage, I promise to walk beside you hand in hand, trusting that through every season, His love will strengthen ours. Today, before God and everyone we love, I give you my heart, my life, and my forever. I love you.
Para sa iyo, sa future natin at sa bubuo natin pamilya. Siyempre sa gabay ni Lord, gagawa natin lahat hanggat magkasama tayo. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo, malayo na pero napakalayo pa. Pero kakayanin natin to. Hanggat andyan si Lord, andyan ka, andyan ako, nasa atin ang isa't isa. Kaya natin to. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
What a great big world, what a wonderful, what a great adventure. It's beautiful. I'm chasing magic through the rush of my life. I'm on it, it's calling. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
You may now kiss sweet self your
It's
heart.
beautiful.